Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you quickly how to change the battery on a Model S key fob. So first thing you're going to do is you need to have three things. You need to have the fob, obviously. You need to have a CR2032 lithium battery. And you need to have a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver. If you have a nylon prying tool, it's probably better. I'm using just a steel or metal flathead screwdriver. As you can see, I've done this many times, and I have an old Tesla Model S, one of the first generation, 2013. And all you do is just put your screwdriver here and pry upwards. Once you get that off, and you'll see the battery here, positive is always on top. And what you want to do is just take your again your screwdriver and put it right here at the end, and then just flip upwards. Just kind of pry it out like that, and the battery will pop out, and you'll take the new battery and you will stick it in there first, inside like that side, and then you'll pop it in on this side just like that, and then it pops right in, and everything is just good to go. I'm just checking. And then you pop this cover back on. Cover pops back on from this side, and you just kind of push this side down, and it pops right in. Then that's it. The key fob is ready to go for another about, I would say, 2.5, usually lasts about 2.5 to 3 years for me. I appreciate you watching. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and have a good day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.